Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening a box of Magic the Gathering Streets of New Capenna set boosters. So without further ado, as usual, let's just open the box. Let's also check the seal is still correct. Always make sure to check the seals. With quite some time now, they switched to only having the Wizards of the Coast stamps on the bottom. In the earlier sets, they used to have them all over the box. So we get our Gala Creatures box topper. Hooray for that. We'll not open it, we'll just put it to the side. Now we get to open 30 lovely boxes. So good luck, have fun. Let's see what we get. Not really looking for anything. So yeah, let's just skip through the boring ones. See, that's already a nice one. An offer you can't refuse. Very strong counter. Sure, the enemy gets 2 treasure tokens, but not what they wanted to cast. So, we have an errant street artist here and a warm welcome in foil. On to the next pack. Let's see what we get. We have a nice foil plains here. That's a nice one. And we have a Reservoir Kraken and a Broken Wings in foil. And from the list we get an Angel of Serenity. That's an old one. Well, not that old, but oldish. On to the next pack. Where we were spoiled that we get a dog token. Oh no. So let's see what we get here. We have a Titan of Industry. That one's cool. And a foil Grizzly Sigil, as well as the dog token. Big surprise. Moving on. Those are really nice to rip apart. We have a Full Art Swamp. Very cool. And we start off with a Tenuous Truce. That's a cool card. A Getaway Card and a foil Crooked Custodian, as well as a Spirit token. Moving on. We have a really nice art card. Some of those arts, very nice. A regular foil swamp, which is whatever. We have a Horde Hauler, and we have a Rocco Cabaretti Caterer. I've forgotten what the treatment was called. Gilded, I think, with everything being like this gold color at the border. Very cool. And we have a Citizen token. Really difficult to remember all the special treatments. We have a Full Art Forest in this one. I can already see something in full art sticking out there. A Shadow of Mortality, in fact, followed by a Black Market Tycoon. A foil Titan of Industry, actually. That's very nice. And then a cat token. That was a very nice pack. Because you will know, I currently only have rough estimations in my head, which might or might not be wrong. So let's see what we get in this one. An Unleash the Inferno and a foil Glittermonger, as well as a treasure token. Moving on. We have a signed art card. Well, a print signed art card, whatever you want to call that. And we have a Soul of Emancipation, as well as a foil Majestic Metamorphosis. Moving on. Should probably stop saying that with every booster that I open. We have another foil full art forest here. Very cool. And we have a Sayatora the Incinerator, mythic, a foil Tavern Swindler, and a Sophina Spear Sage Deserter. Very cool. Which I think should be a reprint of the Universes Beyond card. Yeah, maybe, maybe not. A full art mountain. That one looks kinda cool. We have all Valence. That's interesting. And we have a Workshop War Chief, as well as a foil Cleanup Crew. I think that was all 5 of them, right? Yes. Fascinating. Moving on. No special land here. How sad. But we have a Letter Shredder. That should be some money. We have a Witty Roast Master and a Treasure Token. Do not drop the cards. That would be detrimental to their value. So let's see. We get 3 initiates here. It would be funny if we got all of them. Like with the lens. We have a Tulus Clever Conductor, as well as a foil Backup Agent. And a Fish Token, which looks funny. On to the next pack we go. No special land. How's that? Rumor Gatherer, that's a nice one. And we have a Jaxis the Troublemaker, as well as a foil Razor's Ring, and Cecily Haunted Mage. Also should be a Universes Beyond reprint. Moving on. That's a nice one. Giada. Guessing a special art. So we have a Structural Assault and a foil Dusk Mangler. On to the next pack we go. Where we have those stamped out tokens. We have an island in foil. Let's see what else we have. We have a Vivian on the Hunt. That's a nice one. And Demon's Due in foil. Moving on. We get yet another of those token cards. A full art planes. As well as an Elspeth Resplendent. In definitely some special art treatment. Looking very cool. We have Gala Greeters, as well as a foil Civic Gardener. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Please have more coming our way with a full art planes here. And then we continue to Raffine's Tower, one of the triple lands with cycling, very nice. A Snooping Newsy in foil. And Elmar Ulvenwald Informant. Very cool. Moving on to the next pack. where we start off with a regular island and continue with an Obscura Interceptor and a foil Darling of the Masses. Oh, as well as a Master of the Wild Hunt. That's also a cool one. Really impressed so far with this box. The list slot was pretty full. We have a foil Forest. And then we have a Hostile Takeover and a foil Celestial Regulator, as well as a treasure token. So let's see what we get in the next pack. There are still a few packs left, so don't worry. We start off with a regular Forest this time and move to a Devilish Valley, as well as a foil Expendable Lackey, and then a Devil token. On to the next pack we go. Starting with a full art Forest, quite nice. And going into a Chetmir's Garden with a full art. That's a cool one. A Topiary Stomper. Then we have a foil Lagrella the Magpie, as well as a Rogue token. That's also a pretty nice one. The lands are, of course, very useful since they are free colored and have basic types. But unfortunately they come into play tapped. And we have start off with a plains here. But that's fine because we can also cycle them. So we have a full art All-Seeing Arbiter. We have a Falcospara Pact Weaver. Oh wow, back-to-back mythic. A foil Obscura Interceptor and the Stanced tokens. Pretty nice packs, if I do say so myself. We start off with a foil Swamp in this one. And then going into a Tenacious Underdog, as well as a foil Syndicate Infiltrator. Moving on to the next pack. We have once again the cool looking Full Art Mountain. We have a Depopulate, an Ominous Parcel in foil, and a Ruin Grinder. Okay, well take it. Once again, list slot. Not too shabby. Moving on. We start off with a regular plains. A Cemetery Tempering, as well as a foil Fake Your Own Death, and a Ogre Warrior token. So, if I counted correctly, we are on 5 packs left. So let's see what we get, starting with a regular plains this time. We have a Maestro's Ascendancy, as well as a foil Corpse Appraiser, and a Sensei's Divining Top. I tell you, this box is insane for the list slot. So I've also already opened previously a regular one. It's not always that insane. Don't go in expecting all the list slot cards. We have a Professional Facebreaker. That's a good one to hit. A foil Pugnacious Pugilist and garbage. No, it's an advertisement card. It's not garbage. Moving on, we have a Swamp. A Threefold Signal, an Unlicensed Hearth, a foil Riveteer's Charm, and some minigame I'm never going to play. Moving on to the second to last pack, where we start off with a lovely full art island, and get a swindler scheme, an incandescent area, as well as a foil rocks pummeler. So, last pack, let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. A foil swamp is what we get. As well as Xander's Lounge in the full art treatment as well. A extraction specialist, a foil illicit shipment, and another Elmar Ulvenwald informant. So, without any knowledge of most of the prices, I would still say that was definitely a decent box. So you will see. So thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, as always, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I will be seeing you at the next one.